Welcome back. We are working in the green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. Today we're working on 4.2 and we're talking about the area of triangles. And right here I have in parentheses here, area of a triangle equals base times height and then divided by 2. Now there's actually two different ways we can do this, and sixth graders actually will do this two different ways. The first way we're going to do is base times height divided by 2, and I have that written down in red here for our formula. So for finding the area of a triangle, we did parallelograms prior to this, and it was base times height to get our parallelogram area. Our base is 10 for this one, our height is 5. So if we do base times height divided by 2, that's just going to be 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So that would be 25 inches squared for the area of the triangle for number 1. Now, there is another way that sixth graders will do the formula for area of a triangle, and it means the same thing. It's just a little bit maybe quicker to come up with an answer. Instead of dividing by 2, we would multiply by a half. Now, when you multiply by a half, or you divide by 2, it means the same thing. The formula that they'll see in the future will be area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. And for some students, they'll pick up on this right away. If we do 11 and 14, 11 is our base, 14 is our height, all we have to do is cut one of those in half. If I cut 14 in half, my area is going to be 11 times 7, which is 77 meters squared. So 1/2 base times height might help kids get the area formula just a little bit quicker than doing it base times height divided by 2. Either formula works. The students will just have to decide which one they want to go with. Some students will do base times height divided by 2, and then some students, once they kind of figure out the 1/2 base times height, they'll be doing 1/2 base times height. Let's try it again for this last one. Let's try blue. 7 times 2. 7's our base, 2's our height. We have an even number, so it's real easy. Just cut one of those in half. Half of 2 is 1. So the area for this would be 7 yards squared. I don't know why my marker is not working that well. So 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Whichever one works the best for you.